Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we will discuss Python arguments. Python argument is basically a subtool of Python functions which we have discussed yesterday. So the first point says information can be passed into function as arguments. We can store information inside a function as arguments. Arguments are specified after the function name inside a parenthesis. We can add as many as arguments inside a inside a function just by separating them with a comma. The following example has a function with one argument. When the function is called, we pass along first name, which is used inside the function to print the full name. So let's see an example to understand the last point. So we have a function with one argument. Here is a function in which we have an argument, which is this one, f name plus references. And here are the information or variables which we will store in this argument. So when this code, we will run this code, all these outputs will be printed. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.